Hello everyone. The Indian Society of Anesthesiologists National was formed in 1947 and this is the 75th year of its existence. The ISA National has planned to start the flame of unity all over India. We at ISA Nagpur have planned a lot of celebrations and a grand celebration to welcome the flame. It is a proud moment for Nagpur that the first flame from Maharashtra will be started from Nagpur at the hands of Vice President ISA National Dr. Anjali Bhore Madam. It is an honor for us that Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis has sent a very encouraging message to all anesthesiologists all over the world and of course India. And I am grateful to her and I want to thank her from the bottom of my heart. The purpose of this flame is to create awareness regarding anesthesia and anesthesiologists. So the basic theme is know your anesthesiologist, know your guardian angel, and also to create a feeling of brotherhood and friendship among anesthesiologists all over India. So I request all the members to join in large numbers for this celebration and witness history being created. So long live ISA, Jai Hind, Jai ISA. Thank you.
We, the members of Indian Society of Anesthesiologists, Nagpur City branch, feel honoured and privileged to be part of this grand endeavour of celebrating the Platinum Jubilee year. Indian Society of Anesthesiologists is completing 75 years of its existence and has a member strength of more than 38,000. ISA Flame, the flame of unity, will be circulating through all the city branches across India. All the city branch members will be assembling at Gurugram to celebrate the finale of Platinum Jubilee celebration. It is ISA National's venture to create awareness amongst the public to know their anesthesiologists and to have strong determination and dedicate their services to ensure patient safety and serve mankind to relieve pain. So let's have jubilation and celebration in finale of the Platinum year at Gurugram. Long live ISA.
Indian Society of Anesthesiologists is celebrating 75 years of its existence by igniting the flame of unity and taking this torch all over India. Anesthesiologists are guardian angels, not just in the operation theatre, but also in the intensive care units. And they are a boon to the mothers-to-be for relieving labor pains, which only a female can experience. They are masters in treating chronic pain conditions too. I thank each and every anesthesiologist for working selflessly as frontline warrior during pandemic. You have saved millions of lives. I'm happy to know that this flame of unity is beginning from Nagpur, where I belong. This flame is a tribute to the accomplishments, struggle, and sacrifice of anesthesiologists all over India. It is a reflection of a vibrant anesthesia society which inspires all its members to be united. It also reflects the vision of our future generation. This flame of unity will pass through several hands in our state, representing our cultural, social and educational mosaic of Indian Society of Anesthesiologists. I take this opportunity to extend my deep appreciation to all anesthesiologists and would like to wish the very best and success in all your endeavors. Long live ISA, long live Maharashtra, long live India.
Hello everyone. Indian Society of Anesthesiology Nagpur City branch is welcoming the flame of unity with the numerous activities in Nagpur. After the official launch, after the official inauguration of the flame will be moving around the city at various historical places and the government medical colleges of Nagpur. The Nagpur City branch is organizing numerous anesthesia awareness and the compression only life support activities with the flame of unity, and after the press conference on 3rd of October the flame will be handed over to the ISA Varda branch.
जयोस्तुते श्रीमहन्मङ्गले शिवास्पदे शुभदे स्वतन्त्रते भगवति त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे यशोयुतां वन्दे जयोस्तुते श्रीमहन्मङ्गले शिवास्पदे शुभदे स्वतन्त्रते भगवति त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे यशोयुतां वन्दे
Long live ISA! Long live ISA! Long live ISA! Long live!
चाहुलींचे सोबतीने चालणे, हो मोरपंखी चाहुलींचे सोबतीने चालणे, अंतरावर पसरलेले टिपुरसे सुखाचे चांदणे, सुखाचे चांदणे, सुखाचे चांदणे, सुखाचे चांदणे, हो मोरपंखी चाहुलींचे सोबतीने चालणे, अंतरावर पसरलेले टिपुरसे सुखाचे